Bitcoin price targets have been met, but what happens next? Is it doom and gloom, this mini bull market is over? Or do we have higher objectives? I'm going to tell you that right now and how it impacts your altcoin bags. Well, here you go. We've already gone through to recap Todd Butterfield buy. We had an objective up here at 88,000. Said it would get rejected at the 300 moving average and drop. Kablamo, it happened. Down here at the lows, we were back bullish saying, hey, that is a big low there. You probably need to look to start gaining positions. And when we started consolidating in between the 300 moving average and the 200 moving average, I said this looks like a pork blaster. A measured move target of that would be around $96,500. Well, why am I doing this video? Because we just hit $95,989. Very close to the measured move target, and we do have some glaring things that we need to be a little concerned about. On a positive note, we are still in line for $244,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025, and we do have a bullish cross of the 200 moving average crossing from below through the 300 moving average. That is a bullish move, but moving averages are lagging indicators. So the fear and my concern would be is that this objective has been met. We are now seeing a higher high in price, but a lower high in RSI, as well as a lower high on the technometer, which does indicate a potential short-term bearish divergence and a potential short-term top on Bitcoin. RSI is overbought, sitting here still in the 70s, but the technometer does have more room for growth, and the optimism pessimism index is rising following the price as well. But I'm telling you, if this is correct, the objective was already met, because I could say, hey, there's another green candle, maybe we get to 96, 97,000, then we have a short-term top due to these bearish divergences, due to the decreasing volume that we're seeing, and due to all of this resistance that we have seen. If that were to happen, if I strike again, then what? Then what, Nick? What do we do? What do we do, Nick? Well, you probably have major support not too far lower. Probably $88,000 to $86,000. You get down here, this is that, as B-Roots would like to say, zone of opportunity. For me, I just say that is a buy zone on the dip. That would panic out a lot of people. That would give up a lot of the gains made from this explosive breakout, but not really all the gains made from this low. So there is confluence from what I have been saying. The objective was 96,500, 96,600. We didn't quite make it to 96,000, so can we have another surge towards 97 or something? If the stock market closes green today on Friday, you have a low liquidity weekend, everybody's getting excited for what's going on in crypto, and we go higher? Sure. But I would have some caution here, as we are lining up potential bearish divergences across price, RSI, and technometer, as we are lining up, almost reaching the objective. Now, ideally, we see some green this weekend, right? Then we see the short-term top in Bitcoin. We see the Bitcoin dominance drop, because right now it is at near all-time highs for this cycle. We see this drop back down to these moving averages into the low 60s. We see Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and Pulse Chain continue to print some green candles, and the alt season continues, because we are seeing some alts absolutely moon here off the lows. We got Pengu up big, 19%, PTGC up 5%, we got RLC, which I'm about to do a video on, breaking out of its downtrend line. We got Floki up 70% off the lows. We got GME, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, other crypto-related stocks up big off the lows. So there is a chance here. Is a chance. Bitcoin gets up here, another green candle, slows down, lets the altcoins start to make another resurgence as it consolidates before making its next move higher. And if you're in the bearish camp here, I still think major support at 86 to 88,000. That will get the bears loud once again. That will get some of you weak-handed folks out of the game before it sends it towards new all-time highs and the ultimate goal of $244,000 on Bitcoin by the end of 2025.